Kidney transplants versus dialysis. Now, kidney transplants are a better long term solution to kidney failure than dialysis. However, there are several disadvantages to kidney transplant, including donors won't have the same antigens on cell surfaces, so there will be some immune responses. This has to be suppressed by taking immunosuppressant drugs for the rest of their lives. These can have long term side effects and leave the patient vulnerable to infections. There are not enough donors to cope with the demand of transplant. However, if a healthy close matched kidney is available, then the benefits of a transplant over dialysis include the patient has much more freedom as they are not tied to having dialysis several times a week. Their diets can be much less restrictive than they are when on dialysis. Use of dialysis machines is very expensive, and so this cost is removed. A kidney transplant is a long term solution, whereas dialysis will only work for a limited time.